Hello guys, today I will tell you about how can we make a revenue calculation sheet with the help of data validation as well as with the help of Hlookup. First I write city in which I write the name of the cities, which is first one Chicago, then New York, then Los Angeles, and Boston. Now I write tax. Now I select the four boxes and click on percentage. So if I write anything in the box, it appears in percentage. As you can see, I write 10, so it appears in percentage. Now 15, 8, and 9. Now I select the two boxes and click on merge and center. Here I write customer name, then again select the two boxes, click on merge and center. Here I write city, just select the box and click on center alignment. I select three boxes, click on merge and center. You can also just drag it down so the same format will be applied in the bottom box. You can select center or left align. And select the boxes and click on thick border. Again select the boxes and click on all boxes. You can also select the same, click on thick border and select the boxes. Now I will use data validation. I just click on this box which I want data validation. You can just click on data. As you see data validation option, you just click on it and click on data validation. As you see the box appears. In this box you have to track the any value option, and you can see list option. Click on it. As you see the source box, click on it and select the all cities which you want to be appear an option. As you can see the addresses, okay. As you can see this, so we restrict it by data validation. As you can see, if I right click, as you see the options, and if I write Chicago, it gives no error. And if I write London, as you can see the error appear because we restrict it with the help of data validation. If I write Boston, as you can see no error appears. Now I write product, quantity, unit price, and the last one total. Just select the two box and go on home and merge in center. Now I write the product name, in which I write Apple, Samsung, and the last one I write Microsoft. Now quantity I write 2, 1, and again 2. Unit price I write 10,000, 25,000, and 3,000. Just select the two boxes, click on merge center and drag it down. Now we just use equals to and just quantity price address multiply by unit price address. Okay, you can see the values. Just drag it down. Now I write by just clicking the two boxes, click on merge center, same thing I'll do here. Now I write subtotal. Here I write tax and grand total. Click on left alignment. In subtotal I use the sum formula equals to sum bracket open and select the whole column bracket close, enter. In text we use Hlookup formula, like they start from equals to Hlookup bracket open. As you can see here, lookup value. So you want which box it will look. It will look the city box, which is Boston. Just click on the box, comma, then it says table array. So we just select the whole table array from where it look, then comma it says raw index, so we want the raw number 2 from which it search. As you see, the first one is city and the second from city it search and then give value of the raw number 2. It search value from lookup value of city, then give us the value from raw number 2, then 0 bracket close and multiply by the subtotal and enter. Now grand total equals to subtotal subtract tax and enter. Now select the all boxes and you can also do this. And you can color it so it will be more presentable. You can also use the same color on it. In this, just decrease the decimal. As you can see, if I select New York, then tax amount will be 15. As you see the difference, New York has 15% tax. As you can see, more tax from Boston. As you see, the tax of Boston is 9%. If I write Boston, as you see, the New York amount is 70,000 and then Boston amount is around 4,000. You can also write the customer name, which is Harry, to make it more practical. This is how our whole sheet is ready. If you like the video, please subscribe it and share it. Thank you so much.